It's time for a 1 minute makeup challenge in HD. Hey syndicates, welcome back to my channel. Let's do a 1 minute to 30 minute makeup challenge. What is it, you ask? It means I'm going to do a 1 minute makeup challenge and it's going to be creative avant-garde makeup because that's what I do. And then I'm going to try to save it because it's probably going to be messed up in 30 minutes, meaning I'm going to save it in 30 minutes within a 30-minute time frame. I started doing this for fun and then it turned out to be a thing, and it's a really great way to save myself time. So I've done a couple of 1 minute to 30 minute challenges. If you want to see those, you check out my shorts. Also, if you're not a subscriber yet, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And now let's get it on. 3, 2, 1, go. No! Stay calm, sweetie, stay calm. Oh, look at that, thank you. There's still 30 seconds left. Oh my god, 10 seconds. Okay. This is not 1 minute. This is not 1 minute. What the heck? Wait. What the heck? 2, 1! Even close. Was that really 1 minute? That was not 1 minute. Why don't 1 minutes pass by this quickly when you're in class? Guys, this is 1 minute. Wow, I feel like I've done 1 minute way better before. I do need to put this tape back on for the 30-minute challenge. Okay, we're resetting the timer. I am so out of practice right now. We're gonna save this in 30 minutes. 3, 2, 1, go. Put this back. Oh, clearly this was here. I mean, what was the point of the tape if it wasn't gonna keep the art in? Okay, much better. Doing it with both hands was actually pretty fun. I do need glue. Okay, that's good. Good stuff. Yeah, okay. So, do I take this off yet? No, I don't think I'm ready to. What am I doing? I'm gonna think. Breathe. I also have to film too. What the heck? This is chaotic. This is a bad idea. This is a bad idea to do this. We are at 26 minutes. Keep going. Let's just take this off. I think it's distracting. We can work with this. There are lines. There's ways around this. Blocking my eyebrows might have been a good idea, but you know, who cares? How much time do we have left? 22 minutes. Ooh, look at that blend. 19 minutes, go. Okay, at this point I need to do the middle part. This is the hard part. And this is the hard part because I gotta get 3 colors in there pretty much. Do I though? Do I need to? Do I? I think I do. Let's try it. Ugh, this is hard. I'll just do teal with here. This is hard. Oh, I need dry brushes. Okay, got 17 minutes left. And just make sure I am filming. Good, we are filming. We are all set. It'd be awful if I'm not filming right now. I want a little bit of yellow. Oh, this is a good brush. Okay, I've got 15 minutes left. We're making really good progress. I need to powder this first. If I don't powder it, it's gonna get really messed up. Oh my gosh, I definitely need more light in this room. But powder first, powder. I need something to put powder on. Back to business. We got 10 minutes left. I'm gonna need every second. Put a lot of powder on my face. Eyelashes. Ah! Oh, 1 minute, 1 minute. Oh my gosh. Stick. Is it sticking? Did I get it? I got it. Ow. Alright, well this was 30 minutes. What do you guys think? I actually got everything completed in time. That's insane. And I also haven't done this in a while. Of course, my lines could definitely be crispier, but it's fine. I think for the time limit, not bad. Okay, let me just do my hair and look good. And this is the final look. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out this 30-minute challenge where I turn myself into a orchid fairy. And as usual, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Let's go take some photos.